Hello everybody, it's Eric Blackwelder, your local real estate guy here in beautiful Northern Virginia. Got a couple of interesting stories here today, more on the mortgage side of things than on the real estate side. The first has to do with expectant mothers. If you are an expectant mother, you may want to pay attention because some banks are saying that they will approve the loan conditioned on the mother getting her first paycheck after she comes back from maternity leave. Now let's think about this for a moment. Let's say that the expectant mother is 3 months along in her pregnancy, has 6 more months to go, and then has 3 months of maternity leave. What they're essentially saying is, okay, your loan's approved, but we've got a condition that says we can't issue the funds until after that first paycheck, which will be 9.5 months from now. And you want to move into your house in a month. It doesn't work. Well, some folks took that complaint to Housing and Urban Development and filed a fair housing complaint based on familial status, and they won. So if you are facing such a situation, go to HUD regulation number 10-258. Again, that's 10-258, and bring that to the attention of your loan officer. The second has to do with a couple who had no mortgage. They moved to Florida from Detroit. He retired from the police department. They went to Florida, paid cash for a home. A few weeks after they moved in, they get a notice plastered on the door saying this house is about to be foreclosed upon. So they called the 800 number and said, hey, you got the notice on the wrong door, and they said, no sir, if you don't start making your payments in a timely manner, we're going to foreclose on your property. And he kept saying, but I don't have a mortgage with Bank of America. And they kept saying, yes you do. And even got to the point of saying, you may think you don't, but you really do have a mortgage with us. So one day the sheriff shows up with the get out of the house crew in a truck and proceeds to tell the owners they have to get out. Well, they called an attorney real quick who was recommended, went to a judge, got a temporary restraining order to stop that foreclosure, and they also said to the judge, hey, we've incurred a couple of $1,000s in attorney's fees here. Plus, we've had at least a couple $1,000s in pain and anguish and hassle and trouble. So the judge said, yep, you have. I award you $5,728 or something like that in damages. And they said, we would like to foreclose on the local Bank of America branch. And the judge approved it. So they went down with the sheriff and the moving truck and the moving guys, and they went in and they started to take out desks and chairs. And of course the branch manager is freaking out, asking what's going on, and he's told, you're being foreclosed upon to pay off damages in the amount of $5,728. Well, naturally he gets on the phone and calls up his headquarters, and wouldn't you know, with just one phone call, the pending foreclosure against the Nurgis family suddenly goes away, and the branch manager cuts them a check right on the spot for $5,728. How about that? Wild and crazy things going on out there, and if you ever want to hear some more about the crazy stuff, this is the place to find it. This is Eric Blackwelder at Exit First Choice Realty. Have a great day. You can reach me at the email address on the side here. You can shop for homes at the link below, and you can also give me a phone call or send a text message. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Bye now.